Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. Just look at this. It's not working. My sound, it's like this works. See? Boom, boom, boom. I look like a complete idiot right now. Just what is he doing? Oh, I died. But like my shotgun will not make a noise. Like I've switched it out, put it back in. I've died, and like it hits them just fine, but like when it comes to actually killing them or shooting the gun, it decides not to make any noise. I'm just wondering if maybe like it does that for the other people too. So if I have like a silent shotgun, wait, oh, it says I come up on radar. Never mind. It means, yeah, that means they can hear it, but for some reason I cannot hear my own gun, which is kind of annoying. Nope, darn. I completely missed every single shot. But that was just this. I can't. It doesn't make noise. This is so annoying. Like I'm used to hearing the big boom of the shotgun, but there's no explosion of noise. There's one hit. There's two hit. Oh, I missed. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. How about y'all get wrecked, please? I thought there was a shotgun dude in there. Is there? No, there's not. Okay. Good. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, they're up there. Okay. Yes, I did it. Yeah, I'm using the tactical spatula because it's funny. No! What? Aw, if he hadn't seen me, that would have been an easy 4 kills. Ah, that stinks. Alright, wait. I think I might be able to... No, I can't. Never mind. Alright, we can do that. Just get that up there. We can get him right in the face. That was great. Aw, snap. Okay, wait, I got this ready. Yeah. Sucker. Ow. That stunk a lot. If he takes my gun, I'm gonna kill him anyway, because he's the enemy. Still. I'm gonna do it. Anyway. Oh, yeah, he did take my gun. That's, ouch, I just hit myself with my own grenade. Almost died there. Wait for it, wait for it. Oh. Hi there, mister. How you doing? I landed right in front of him, too. That was funny. Somebody doesn't have good reflexes. Oh, somebody's coming up from this side, maybe. Oh, no. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that my shotgun makes no noise. At least to me. It's kind of annoying though, because I wish it had made no noise to anybody else. That idiot much? You're on my team. Oh. Ugh, alright. Well, yeah, that was just a quick little video showing how weird a gun I have. Anyway, that's it. Bye.